Hello, hi guys. It's time for 15-minute Friday. Yes, we're late, but you know what? We're going to do it anyway because we can. Cheers, coffee. Thanks for hanging out. For those of you who are new, my name's Amber and I love all things papercraft. And 15-minute Friday, what's the concept? Concept is we don't always have very much time to sit down and play. And so the challenge is to do fun things in 15 minutes or less and see if we can beat the clock. And I am very confident for today that we're going to, because we're going to do something really fun. We are going to make multi-leveled round dangles, probably for our pink journal, but we're going to use them for anything, whatever you want. So as I'm watching I don't have a timer because my phone is being used, but as I see, we are coming up on a fresh minute and easy to watch on my wall. So let's get started. I'm going to do 4 layers. I've got different sized circle punches. I got this new guy. He's going to be big. So maybe it could be used for pockets. Got this big guy at the thrift store. $3, you guys, for one of these giant things. Okay, so what are we going to use? We've got these papers that I got in that little Temu pack, and they are absolutely beautiful. Lovely flowers. So we've got a stack of those. This is a cover from another, got a piece of scrapbook paper. These are just some offcuts. And I have this new pack of Bow Bunny. And these are nice and thick. So let's pick some. Ooh, those are pretty. I'm even including our decision making in this 15 minutes. I hope it doesn't come back to bite me, because I think we're going to be good. Oh, that's the one I already picked. This is lovely. Oh, look, cute little bird. And we can have something a little more. Oh, that's beautiful. Love that color of blue. How about that? Well, I'm gonna say we could pick something kind of plain. That won't hurt anything. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. And I've got with me, we are going to need one very plain piece. So let's see, what's thickest? I'm comfortable with these. Let's see, is there one that we probably wouldn't normally use? This green is nice but kind of plain, so let's go with this. All right, so what I'm going to do, we're going to start backwards. I've got this washi tape that's really pretty, and I thought this would be really nice for our little front pieces with our tiny, that might even be too small. Maybe we'll do these 3. Let's do our washi tape in, let's do some of both. Because if we think about it too long, we're going to lose a bunch of time. So let's put some washi tape down. I don't want to lose the focal points here. I have no idea how many we're going to get through, so we're just going to, she's kind of big. Let's go. She is too, but we're going to use her face. All right, let's see. Let's do a combination, and we're just going to start cutting out. Let's take this off so we can get close. We'll probably have to cut this strip to be able to get what we want, but let's get our lovely ballerina. There's one. should have put it a little closer, but that's okay. That's why we have scissors. This is such a fun little challenge for me each week because we let ourselves get too busy. I know we all do it. She's lovely, and this is lovely. So just now let's see if we can get an itty bitty. This one's going to be a little harder to see because of, well, here, we'll just go like that and then we can see what we're doing. Oh, how cute. Smalls. I'm going to trim this so I can get close to this lady. Oh, there's two ladies on there. Out of my way. Out of my way. And oh, I love the little coffee. Let's cut this guy down and out of our way. And we're gonna need more off of that to get the little cup. I don't want to lose too much. This is kind of fiddly, but the other ones won't be, so we're good on time. Ooh, look, the face of that clock. Let's see, can I line this up carefully and get just the clock? Oh, that's cool. And this fine lady. All right, we got a lot of littles. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. I'm gonna show them to you closer. Without trying to block too much light. How cute are those guys? Loving it. Now, the trick's gonna be to not have to put a hole through anybody's forehead, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try. All right, so next layer. Let's just start. We're gonna need 4 for some. And with these, it really doesn't, let's just start at the top so we're not wasting. It really doesn't matter about getting like a focal point because these are going to be covered. So we got several of these. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. 5 of those. 6 of those. How about the darker next? And we might decide that instead of making them into dangles, we want to just glue them, but that is okay. This is probably rather ambitious, huh? 15-minute mass make? I don't know. Maybe I better stop trying to do so many and really just start, oops. Hopefully this works well. Seems to be fine. If I can get them out. How about one of these? All right, let's see. Okay, come on out. We are already halfway through our time. So let's keep on going. And we'll see what we end up with. I want to try inking with saltwater taffy. And I should have pulled out the corresponding puffy. Or is it on the bottom? No, I don't know where it is. I guess we'll be grabbing another one. grab a new ink. I might not be moving fast enough. Last week we failed by like 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. We don't want to do that this time. Come on, pick up the ink. Pick it up. Oops, doing 2 at once. And we may decide that that is not enough. I should have took it off another one because now I need to put my brown one back on. Let's just start inking a few of these. And then we'll assemble. I should know better than to try to do too much. This is our 3rd week of 15-minute Friday. How about one of these? All right, so let's go with these couple to keep going, and we'll just redo and do it again if we want to. So stop it. I'm going to go there and I'm going to go here. I think I'm going to like it with darker ink because this doesn't show up a ton. Maybe pink is fine for that one. And then how about this little lady here in the middle? Can we get her on without a huge problem? I hope. Okay, so let's start there. I think I want that one to be brown. That doesn't stand out enough. Here. Whoops. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, 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 sorry. Okay. So now let's pull out. Oops, 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 oops. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh, sometimes the time just goes so fast. I want a little bit of space there. I don't think I'm going to do the eyelet for her. I think I'm going to do just a little pinhole. Oh, I thought I had these open. Let's go with a bright purple. That'll be fun. If I can get a hold of it. So let's go ahead and set this guy. Oh, it's squashed. No. Ah, we're going to try again. Come out. Please let this one work or we're going to be late. I wonder if I can watch it and just make sure that it's going correctly. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. And it can be all the same. Well, this one's gonna, oh, I can still move it. There's that. Let's pick a pretty, how about a, well, let's go pink. Why not? That's what popped up. Now for her, I need my pokey tool. And I probably really need something to poke onto, but we are running out of time, guys. So I'm gonna put the hole right here. There's a hole. We just need to be able to get this through. There we go. And through here. and a little off to the side. Did I even ink her? Oh my God, I don't think I did. We're gonna make it though. It's gonna be okay. We might even get a second one done. There we go. There's number one. And you don't have to do 4 layers. You could do 3 layers or 2 layers. You could put them to the side. Let's do one that's a little bit more wonky. Well, it's not going to matter because then when you just put a hole in it. I'm going to put the hole over here so it's goodness. So it's off to the side and let's see how that looks. So with these, I'm finding you've got to work it slowly, I guess, to get them to come that way. Pokey tool. And we're going to go right there. Maybe it's just hard to see because it's so light. And we're going to pick one of these. And we're going to stick that right in there. And you know what? These can move around, so you could really end up either way. So there we go. We made it. 15 minutes. We only got 2 done. We probably could have got 3 if I wasn't dinking around making so many. But how beautiful. Let's see. Can we focus on her? Look at her little face and her beautiful face. And these can go just in a journal. And they could even be a little journaling spot. They're big enough. And you wouldn't have to hang them. You could just tuck them in a pocket as something cute, a little bit of extra. Usually we make something a little bigger, but for today, that's that. Something new, fun, and different. I hope you enjoyed, and done in less than 20 minutes. So see, you totally have time to sit down and make something fun. And you don't even have to make 2. You could go easy on yourself and make 1. Or decide you want to stay for an hour and make a bunch. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. And please do like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you like and what you don't. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye. Hey guys, so after the video I sat down and I was doing some more playing and I made a couple adjustments that I just want to show you because I think it helped and I think I liked the outcome better. So I did go around and I inked with brown instead, and I think it stands out quite a bit nicer. This one's really obvious. Whoops. Come here, lady. This one. So I do like the contrast that gives. And then I made a slight adjustment. I made a few more. And I made a slight adjustment in placement. So what I did, instead of having the hole through the lady, I glued her down to this larger size. And then I staggered them down a little bit. You could go up to the top again with those, but it does seem to give a nicer look, a nicer composition when you have that little one in the center of the slightly larger one. So